Hey guys, how are you? Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. If you are like me who is stuck with the old manicure, gel manicure at home, you are probably wondering how to take it off and how to make the new one. I've been doing it for years so far, maybe for like 6 or 7 years at home, using all the equipment, and I would like to share the tutorial of how to do it. And I'll start with removing the old manicure and we'll continue with doing, I feel like doing some neutral color today. I mostly use CND Shellac, brand that is used by most of the salons. This is what I use for taking my shellac off. Just pour it to whatever, anything you can, and leave your nails, the tips of your fingers, soaked here for about 5 minutes, I would say. So this is pretty much everything that you will need. For the gel manicure, that's it. That is how easy it is peeling off. I use the cuticle remover. I'm doing the same with my right hand. So it took me about 10 minutes to remove my old shellac, and now it's just time to use a buffer to prepare nails for the application of the new coat. Okay, now it's time to prepare your nails for the application of the new gel. I'm using the Lint free wipes to make sure there's nothing left on the nails, and wipe them with alcohol. To dehydrate the nails. And then I will be using the nail primer. Okay guys, and now the very last step is to go back to our alcohol and the wipe. We are wiping the sticky whatever it is on the nails. And we're ready to enjoy our new, fresh, beautiful manicure made at home. I hope you enjoyed watching it.